this is Pooja Vera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys few skincare essentials that you guys need to have this season. Now, if you guys would have been following me on Instagram for a very long time, you guys would know I've been obsessed with a brand called Plum Goodness and I've been using their products on a regular basis, and that's how my skin feels so good after using that. So I have stocked products from Plum Goodness during Nykaa's Pink Hot sale last time, so I thought why not share the products with you guys, because Nykaa is going to run the same sale again. So in case you guys want, you guys could go ahead and buy those products for yourself as well, and they are going to run a flat 20% off on Plum Goodness, so that's a very good deal, I guess. So yes, now without a further ado, let's get into this video. Now the first product which I'm going to be talking about is a cleansing balm. Now this is a E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm from Plum Goodness. Now I have been obsessed with this product specifically from Plum Goodness. Since a really long time I was hunting for a good makeup remover, and I have tried using micellar water or some sort of rubbing pads and all. That didn't work well for my skin, so I thought, I have heard that cleansing balm also works really great as a makeup remover. I have been watching lot of YouTubers videos, so therein I got to know about this cleansing balm from Plum Goodness, and oh my god, to be really frank, I have been using it almost over a month and I have been loving it. I could show you guys the consistency. It is very thick, this pink in color, and also it comes with a spatula. Now how you guys need to apply it over your face is, you guys need to take out some part of it using a spatula and then spread it evenly over the face and then gently massage it well, and after leaving it for like good 10 to 15 minutes, you guys could go ahead and splash some sort of warm water, and voila, your skin is going to look really great, very much nourished. It smells really good. So yeah, I think I have almost finished half of the tub. I can show you guys. Okay, so half of the tub has been used by me till now. So yeah, this is a very good product and I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase it in case you are into sort of intense makeup routine. So yeah, this is the one you guys need to have. Masking has to be included in our day-to-day life routine. I'm not sure if each of you guys could try twice or thrice a week, but it's recommended to go ahead and apply a mask at least in a week. So the mask which I'm going to recommend you guys to go ahead and use is from Plum Goodness. This is their chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask. I absolutely love this. I would show you guys how the consistency looks like. It smells really good. I really loved it. The past me I have taken one tub of it and I finished it. I think it lasted for around 6 months, so I restocked it and oh my god, I'm in totally love with it. When you apply it on your face now, you would get that bleach sort of feeling, and what you guys need to do, just apply it all over your face, let it dry. Make sure you put a thick amount of layer on your face and then wait for good 15 to 20 minutes so that it could dry out completely, and after which you guys could go ahead, take some lukewarm water and then rinse it off, and yeah, you'll be feeling really fresh. I don't know what kind of glow I'm getting this day by using this mask, but I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this one. Now you guys must be wondering, why am I ranting so much about this brand? Because this brand is vegan and cruelty free. So what else would you ask for? The less number of chemicals, the better the quality of the products. Now most of the face arts I do is during the night time, so I thought I would be requiring a makeup remover. Post that I'll be requiring a toner and a moisturizer / a night gel. So I got myself this green tea renewed clarity night gel from Plum Goodness. Now the best part about this gel is it has a very nice matte finish. I'm going to show you guys the consistency. It smells really good. I could exactly feel that I'm touching green tea. So yeah, I absolutely love the smell. The consistency is really thick. Whenever you apply it on your face, you guys could keep it for good like 5 minutes and you guys could see the mattified finish on your face. It moisturizes your face really well. If you're looking for some good night time moisturizer, then I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and use this one, because I have been using it on a daily basis and oh my god, I am surprised with the results it's giving. And I've been getting a lot of compliments regarding how my skin looks so fresh and all. So yes, these products are definitely the reason for that. So yeah, I know most of you guys must be wondering I should put some sort of skincare routine. So don't worry, I am definitely going to film one and post it really soon for you guys. Now apart from this product, you also get a Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Now this is the kajal which I am wearing at the moment. The kajal is very good. I mean, the consistency is really good. It's smudge free and you guys could easily trust this brand. I totally agree, this is very expensive. If you buy orders above 999, then you get this kajal for free. So in case you guys are interested, you guys could check out the products. Link will be present in the description box below. Now the best part about this kajal is it also comes with a very cute sharpener and it's very handy. So right from the start I've been using this kajal. So yes, I would again recommend you guys, rather than separately buying this kajal for yourself, why not stock some skincare essentials and get it for free. Now as I said earlier, Nykaa is running 20% off on Plum Goodness products during Nykaa's Pink Hot sale. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and check, and if you like, then go ahead and shop. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this very useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeEraFam to let me know what all videos you guys want me to do next. Subscribe to my channel, also visit the little bell icon, and yes, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.